Oobleck, it's Steven, and today we are making non-Newtonian fluid. And you might say what it is. I'll tell you. Remember in the last video where we were reading maps and mappings, I told you guys that I promised that I'll make this video. So I'm making it now. So non-Newtonian fluid is like a liquid and a solid. You will see when we make it, and it's called Oobleck. Oobleck is kind of like a non-Newtonian fluid. So yeah, here's the stuff you need. You need a bowl. You need water. You need some colors if you want it to be colorful. A spoon so you can mix it. A scissor so you can cut the bag. If you have something that is already open, you can just make it open. And corn flour. So let's make it. Okay, first I'm thinking to add the water first. Oh, and guys, sorry for that exciting moment that I stopped it. Okay, sorry, guys, sometimes if it doesn't work, it's okay. Science is all about trial and error, which I am kind of sad. Okay, let's pour the water in. No. No. I think that's enough. Let's add the color. You ask your parents to help you because it might be hard. Oh, and I opened it for no reason. It looks like blood. Here you go. Oh, and you have to first ask your parents because you need their approval. And I already got my parents' approval. Okay, now let's open the cornstarch that we got. I cannot quite open this. I may need some help. Wait, I'm doing it. So close, let me turn this around. I need help. I'm sort of getting it out. Yeah. Okay, that's all. I cannot do this anymore. Okay, and guys, well, now it's time to mix. You might feel this weird feeling that it's getting harder because you're adding pressure to it. I do need more of this. I might be getting messy for this one. Oh, it's getting hard. Oh, I think we are not going to have an error today. It's not going to be a failure. I hope it's not. I'm not that sure yet. I'm going to dig in with my hands first. But first I want it to be like... Guys, did you see that? Wait, let me just get a whole bunch of this. Guys, do you see this? I wish I got gloves, guys. So first I can use my gloves. I think I had too much water. This is going to be a big... I think we need to pour some water out. Let me just first get my hands in. But my hands will get all red. I should put first... Oh my gosh. This is getting messy. Please. No! At least we're making some oobleck. This takes a lot. But how did the water came out? Okay, guys, I'm gonna use my hands. Wow, so cool. Oh, it's solid. It feels so cool. Guys, when you're adding pressure to it, it's kind of getting, what do you call it? Harder. And then look, I just... This is a success! But I do have to wash my hands after this. I think I need the spoon. I'm trying to mix this, guys. Oh. Ooh. Look at my hands. So wiggly. So wobbly. I think this is... Feels so cool. Oh my gosh, it feels so cool. Whenever I grab it, whenever I grab it and try to show you guys, I just get it and then it melts. Guys, first I have to mix this really well so then I can form it into a ball. But I have to put lots of pressure in so I can, what do you call it? I cannot make a ball in this situation. Guys, it's sticky first. Guys, we may have to pause this video a quick moment so we can get out of the excess water. But we need to pause this so my dad can help put on more cornstarch. Because we need more cornstarch. But it's so cool! Okay guys, we're going to pause. My dad's adding more cornstarch. I think we need to add the whole bag for this for some reason. Whoa! Oh, this is getting really messy. I think we added too much cornstarch. Let's just keep mixing first. Can you add a little bit of water, but not that much? I don't think we need water. Oh, it's hard to mix. I feel like I need the spoon. Ah! It's so hard to mix. I need more prep. I feel like I cannot do. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's enough. Since we add lots of cornstarch, it's kind of like getting, what do you call it? Not that much non-petroleum fluid. Guys, do you see that? For a second, it was... Look, for a second, look, it's a solid now. We made our oobleck, guys! We did it! We made it! We got a little messy, but we did it! Let's try to get this. It's kind of hard to take out, though. I cannot let it go, like... I'm trying to form a ball, but it's just keep melting because I'm not putting any pressure. Oh, it's hard. I'm just trying. I will put my hands in. Stop. Ooh, guys. Okay. Now I'm gonna. Turned pink. I think it's because white and red make pink. Is that why? Or it was just pink all along. Guys, you should make this. It's cool. But if you don't have the ingredients, you can make it one day and make your own video of this. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, give me a huge thumbs up. Bye! And I can't close the camera because my hands are dirty.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now.